how to turn off or on location permission on campus pickup on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First, open Amazon Shopping and then click the three lines here, and once you're here, click settings and then click permissions, and that's it. Now just wait few seconds, and then scroll down, scroll until you find a location, and here is it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.